going to discuss about the GS Men's Answer Writing Paper 2000 GS 3 Answer Writing Paper. The use of the unmanaged series and vehicles be by the other advertising across the borders to the ferry aims and accumulation drugs and etc. is as the serious threat and to the internal security commands on the missiles and being taken to the tackle this threat. Introduction. Unmanaged ferry, unmanaged aerials and vehicles and BAVS, commonly known as the drones, are the remotely piloted aircraft and that have the giant and widespread and use and the popularity across the various sectors including the agriculture, photography and surveillance and logistics. However, the increasing accessibilities of UAVs has opened UAVs has also led and to their missiles and by the advertising and both across the international borders and within other country borders. Use of UAVs and by the adversaries of India as a security threat, arms and communications, and very multiple in the incident and of the across-border drone threat from Pakistan and sponsored by terror and groups to the delivers arms and ammunitions and equipment. Drug trafficking UAVs has been used to the drop narcotics and within India territories and enabling the distributions of drugs to the local communities and contributions to the local security challenges. IED attack. Terrorism organization operating along India's and borders and have begun to employ and UAVs and for the reconnaissance and possibilities as delivering mechanism for improvisations and explosions devices lead or others attack. Recently, drones and were used for the first time and to the drop explosives at the Jammu Air Base. Geopolitical escalations and UAVs and are the used by the adversaries and to violate Indian airspace along the borders regions and leading to the concern about the territorial integrity and airspace violation. China too have been using the drone and activities over the last section. Security of critical infrastructure, the use of the UAV and to the conduct reconnaissance on the critical infrastructure, military installations and the sensitivity government and building the poses a threat to the national security. Missiles being taken to the tackle and this is the threat. Drone Rules 2021, the rules attempts to the regulated the internal movement of drone while the incentivizing the indigenous drone manufacturing industry. Institutional Missiles and MHA has established and the anti-rogue drone technologies community ARD TC under the supervisions of DG and BSF with other mandate to evaluate the technologies available to counter rogue drones. The Indian Army's aviations and corps is also being made responsible for the offensives and drone countermeasures in indigenous anti-drones and systems and this are being and the developed and for the counter UAV and the missiles like Indrajit and by the Hyderabad based Greenness and robotics. Hard kills or kinetic missiles and anti-drone system and drone detect and the data and destroy system and D4S for proactive protections is being developed by the DRDO and drone the development and executions. The government is investing in UAV counters and missiles with the drone development by the DRDO including Nishant, Rustam Mail and AL8L. The acquisitions of the foreign made variant like the Israel made the Herons and USMQ Reaper. Conclusion: by adopting this the multi-faced approach, India aims to stay ahead of the evolving threat landscapes associated with the rogue UAV, protect critical infrastructure, maintain territorial integrity, and ensure the safety and the security of its citizens.